Greetings and welcome to our channel again. Today, you're getting a close-up look at the highly awaited 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome, which represents the future of luxurious travel. Imagine living in a world where freedom and elegance live in harmony. Although Mercedes-Benz does not directly produce RVs, top bodybuilders use the dependable 2026 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter as a basis to create this masterpiece. There should be a variety of strong 2.0-liter four-cylinder diesel engines, OM 654, with 170 to 211 PS of torque and a seamless 9G tronic automatic gearbox. The 2026 Sprinter's exterior features a more contemporary design twist while maintaining its robust and practical dimensions. The Mercedes-Benz grille, sleek LED lighting, and sharp lines give the vehicle a sporty, adventure-ready appearance. This RV will draw attention wherever it travels because to its sophisticated wheels and high-end paint choices. The dashboard has been updated to make it more visually appealing and user-friendly from the moment you enter. A big, integrated dual display with the newest MBUX infotainment system and a completely digital instrument cluster is the major draw. The "Hey Mercedes" voice control allows you to do a number of tasks without diverting your attention from the road. With soft-touch materials, striking metal or wood accents, and changeable ambient lighting, the inside is opulent and modern, offering a driving experience comparable to that of a Mercedes-Benz premium car. The living area is a luxurious and cozy haven, thanks to a unique slide-out feature. Its roomy design enhances living space when parked. The most comfortable sofas and chairs include electrical, heating, and massage settings, as well as luxurious leather or textile upholstery. The ideal area for working or eating is created by a dining table that is simple to expand or fold up. The greatest view will always be available through the massive panoramic windows, and an integrated entertainment system with a surround sound system and a widescreen smart TV will enrich any free time. A tranquil and opulent haven awaits you as soon as you enter the bedroom. Select a king-size or queen-size bed with the best orthopedic mattress available to guarantee a good night's sleep. All of your personal items are kept organized in a roomy built-in closet with extra storage drawers and inside lighting. Blackout curtains and soft ambient lighting provide a completely private space while creating a 5-star hotel-quality bedroom ambience. This RV's bathroom is a comfortable place to unwind in addition to being useful. It has a porcelain toilet, a large walk-in shower with strong water pressure, and a sophisticated sink with a high-end faucet. Luxury is evoked by countertops composed of high-end materials like marble or quartz. Comfort and functionality are offered with an LED-lit mirror and effective ventilation. Designed for the adventurous home cook, the kitchen is the focal point of this RV. It contains a full-size refrigerator, freezer, microwave, convection oven, induction cooktop, and even a small dishwasher, among other high-end stainless steel equipment. There is plenty prep room in the kitchen thanks to natural stone or premium composite worktops, and well-built storage cabinets keep everything, including supplies and utensils, organized.